Hi, meet with me again, Anissa. So basically in this tutorial, I would love to show you how to create a simulation for Autodesk CFD. But in this case, I would create my 3D model in Revit 2019 because I think it's the easiest way to create the CAD model, especially if it is a building. Also, after that, I will show you how to export the model from Revit to Autodesk CFD. I will show you how to create a model in Revit. So here I will choose new projects and choose architectural template. And so in this tutorial, I will create only a simple model, which you can see, only a room with an opening as an inlet and opening as an outlet. So we need an inlet and outlet. So later on we can see, for example, the velocity profile inside a room. So now it's quite easy to create a model in Revit. We just have to click on the wall icon here. Okay, you can see the setting of the wall. So it would be in the level 1 base. And also it will have 8,000 millimeters height. Okay, this is height. So in this case, I would just create a normal room. Let's say it only has 3 meters height, so it should be 3,000 millimeters. Then click apply. Then I'm ready to create the wall. Let's say I'll have 10 meters long room and 5 meters wide. Okay. Okay, so this is the room, and we can click on this hash icon here for the 3D view. As you can see, this is the room. And then, okay, so I'll take the top view. So I just click top here on the top right side of the screen. Okay, and now we're gonna create the floor. So can you see what I'm doing, right? Click the floor and then choose the peak lines, and I will create a floor that cover all the walls. So I'm gonna pick the outside line. Okay, after that just click yes and see 3D view. So look from one side, one corner. So this is the floor, as you can see here. And now we're gonna create the ceiling. So I'm just gonna make a simple model which look like a box. So the idea is that you know how to use Revit 2009 and later export the model to the Autodesk CFD, okay? Then click top view again. You can also rotate. Okay, now we're gonna create the ceiling. If you see here, the height of the ceiling is 2.6 meters, but our wall height is 3 meters, so we just need to change this to 3 meters. Sure. Okay, click apply and then sketch ceiling and choose peak lines again, and I'm going to cover all the wall and click yes. That's all. Now we can check on our 3D view. Oh, I'm sorry, just click one corner. Okay, this is our model. Okay, and now I will create the opening for the inlet. Let's say we'll have an inlet here, an outlet here, and maybe an outlet around here. Okay, so to create an opening in a wall, then we have to click on that wall, the wall that we want to create the opening. Okay, in this case I want to create an inlet opening here, so I click on this wall and see this, there is a wall opening icon here. Just click here and I can create an opening in this wall. Okay, and I can adjust the size of the opening and the position as well. So let's say put it 2 meters away from the left side. Okay, and it should be, let's say, 50 centimeters wide, and it should be 2 meters. Okay. Oh wait, and it maybe I think it would be best if it is yeah, 1.5 meters from the ceiling, and let's say it is 50 centimeters wide, so it is rectangular. Okay, I think that's cool. Or yeah, I think that's cool. Oh, maybe we want to put it in the center, so I'm going to change it to 2. Okay, so it's in the center already. So I'm going to the other side. So to rotate this model, you have to press Shift and then the middle button in your mouse. Okay. Now this is the other side. I'm going to create an outlet opening here. Okay, so click on the wall, choose wall opening, and create the wall opening here, and adjust the position. Easy, right? B50, and then I have to, no, yeah. Okay, would be this. Okay, and then click modify, choose the opening, and reduce the width. Okay, cool. And now let's say this 2 opening is windows, and I want to create an opening here as ventilation, so it would be near the ceiling, so it will be around here. So let's create it. Choose the wall, choose wall opening. So I'm going to create it here. Okay, yeah, something like this. Let's say it would be 3 meters from left side, and would be 250, I guess. It's okay. Yeah, from the ceiling. Modify. Okay. Oh wait, I'm going to make it 1,000. Yeah. No, it's still 3,000. Okay. I just need to change this. Okay, cool. And then I can copy this by using the icon copy here and click on one corner, and I would like to place it 2 meters away from the first one. Okay, here. Oh no, I maybe move it a bit. So click on this and click on the move icon. Yeah, this is perfect. So now we already have 4 openings. So 1 for the inlet and 3 for the outlet. Cool.